Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Lavade. Today is 17th of October 2022 and the topic for the today's video is difference between MySQL and MongoDB. So we will see first what is MySQL. So the MySQL is the popular database management system used for managing the relational database. It is an open source database software which is supported by Oracle company. It is fast, scalable and easy to use database management system in comparison with Microsoft SQL Server and Oracle database. So it is commonly used with PHP script for creating powerful and dynamic server side or web-based enterprise application. So it is developed and supported by the Swedish company MySQL AP and written in C and C++ programming languages. So many small and big companies uses MySQL. MySQL supports many operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc. with C, C++ and Java languages. Now we will see what is MongoDB. So the MongoDB is an open source, cross-platform and document-oriented NoSQL database that provides high performance, high-oriented NoSQL, high-oriented volume of data storage, rich query language, and automatic scaling. So it is written in C++ and developed and maintained by a company named Tengen. So it is a simple, easy to use and learned by the developers. It stores data in JSON-like format. MongoDB is designed to work on the concept of collection and document. So the MongoDB supports many operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc. with C, C++, PHP, Node.js, Python, Java, and Ruby languages. So the main purpose of using the MongoDB database is its fast development feature, big data support, flexible deployment, and easy to use. Now we will see the comparison between the MySQL and MongoDB. So on the basis of definition, MySQL is an open source cross-platform relational database management system built by Swedish company MySQL AB and currently supported by the Oracle, whereas MongoDB is a popular open source NoSQL database management system developed and owned by MongoDB that stores data in JSON-like format. The MySQL was released on 23rd May 1995 and MongoDB was released on 11 February 2009. MySQL is written in C and C++ language, whereas MongoDB is written in C, C++ and Java languages. So the MySQL stores each individual record in tables and can access it by using the SQL queries, whereas MongoDB stores each individual record in JSON-like document that may vary in structure. So on the basis of SQL and NoSQL, the MySQL uses structured query language to process and access the database. We cannot change its schema. The inputs can only enter with a defined schema. SQL does not allow to work with unstructured and semi-structured data. Whereas MongoDB is a NoSQL database system, it remains we can define and adhere to the predefined structure of the incoming data. NoSQL allows working with unstructured and semi-structured data, which is not possible in RDBML. So its schema can be changed. So this is all about the difference between SQL and MySQL and MongoDB. Thank you.